how to log into MX or American Express personal saving account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your computer. Here I have to open up Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for MX personal saving login. And after doing that, you'll be able to see the search results where you have to go for American Express National Bank login in the first phase. So after clicking on it, you'll be open to the official web page of American Express. So you can see there is a MX card members and customers without an MX card. So if you already have got MX card, then you can go for login here option in the blue letter. And if you don't have an MX card, you can click here to get your user ID and password, and from over there you can log in. So if you have got the MX card for saving, then you can go for login over here. And after doing that, you'll be able to see the interface over here where you have to enter your user ID and password. So here in the first text box, you have to click and enter your user ID, and similarly in the password you have to click and enter your password. And if you want to be remembered, then you can simply click on remember me option, and from the next time you don't have to enter your user ID and password, which will make you easy. After that, you can go for login option, and by doing that you will be logged into your account. If you forgot your user ID or password, then you can go for user ID or password, which is in the blue letter, and from over there you'll be helped. Similarly, if you need any help on any problem, then you can go to the links given in the blue letter, and from over there you'll be helped. So by following this simple step, you can log into MX personal saving account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.